Hello everyone, this is Pranshi Verma from ABES Engineering College. Welcome to our new video series on Java Collection Framework from the subject Object Oriented Programming with Java. So now, without wasting a moment, let us get started. So here is the syllabus of the unit. We will start with collection in Java, collection framework in Java. Then we will discuss hierarchy of the collection framework, then different collection frameworks. They are shown on your screen. So let us get started with the first topic of our unit, that is collection in Java. So my dear, Java Collection Framework is a robust and powerful architecture that provides a unified way of working with different types of collections in Java. Collections are basically is an essentially group of objects that can be stored and manipulated in various ways. Why do we need collections? So, imagine you are running a bookstore and you need to keep track of all the books you have in stock. You could use an array to store the book titles, but what if you need to add or remove books dynamically? Or what if you need to sort the books alphabetically? That's where collection come into play. The Java collection frameworks provide a wide range of interfaces and implementations that simplifies the process of working with collections. It offers various types of collections such as list, set, queue, and maps, each with its own unique characteristics and user cases. Throughout the video series, we will explore the different components of the collection framework, including collection interface, list interface, set interface, queue interface, map interface, and many more. We will also dive into the implementation of these interfaces such as array list, linked list, hash set, tree set, hash map, and many more. Additionally, we will cover topics like sorting, iterating over collections, and working with legacy collections like vector and hash table. By the end of this video series, you will have a solid understanding of the Java collection framework and how to leverage its power to write efficient and maintainable code. So get ready to embark on this exciting journey. In the next video, we will start by exploring the collection interface and the hierarchy of the collection frameworks. Thank you so much for watching this video, and here is the book name. You can refer for more understanding in the Java concept, and the book name is Java, the Complete Reference. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe our channel for more videos on Java collections. Thank you so much.